Now, let's know about various famous personalities whose name we are going to see in the chapter again and again. The first name is Ande, though the spelling is different, but it is pronounced as Ende. Ende was the founder of the Chilean Socialist Party, and he was made the president in 1970 of the country, and he did number of reforms in the country, but he was overthrown in a coup by the General Pinchot. So next we will know about the General Augusto Pinchot. General Augusto Pinchot was the one who actually did a coup in the country, Chile, on 11 September 1973 and established a full-fledged dictatorship in the country. Lech Walesa. Lech Walesa is the person who formed the Solidarity, that is the trade union in a nation where private trade unions were forbidden, and it gave a revolutionary change in the country. Next is Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah was one of the leading freedom strugglers of Ghana. Next is Aung San Suu Kyi. He was the leader of the National League of Democracy and was put under house arrest and was released recently, but won the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1991. So these were the famous personalities about whom we shall be referring in the chapter.